Good morning, guys. Yeah, it's in the morning now, and we are starting to make ourselves ready. It rained literally the whole night, and we had like really hard thunderstorms, and now it's still raining. But nevertheless, we want to get out and inside of the park now. We have some raining clothes, and yeah, that's the plan. Uh, we hope to get not too wet, and hopefully we still see the animals, and hopefully they don't seek too much shelter. And I hope that inside of the park where the trees are above, it's not that wet, but I guess we'll see. So we better get ourselves ready, and then we start going. So, we are inside of the national park, walking the Sloth trail now. Till now we haven't seen anything, but yeah, we are still like 10 minutes in, so I guess pretty relaxed. So, we are hiking up the half island of the national park now. Until now we only had like a little deer animal. We had some birds and we had some iguanas. But other than that, nothing special until now. And yeah. So guys, we finally had a nice encounter with a sloth. One of the guides around told us that it's a female. It was hanging in the high trees. He is trying to find a good leaf to eat, and then it was hanging down right towards us and gave me the opportunity to get some really nice images, or I hope I got some nice images. And yeah, so far very nice. It's very crowded here, so if you're looking for a remote jungle tour, you're definitely on the wrong place here, but we have a lot of wildlife. Yeah, we just keep on searching for more critters. So, actually we found like 2 more sloths now, and now we're just going to take another look for the monkeys. We found the ones that are making these noises, and now we are looking for the white-faced monkeys to take some nice images. So, fingers crossed and good eyes. So, good evening, guys. Yeah, what a day in the Manuel Antonio National Park. Oh, we just came home like half an hour ago. And yeah, it was a day full of experiences. And yeah, a lot of people. A lot of people. But nevertheless, beautiful, beautiful park. We saw like 4 or 5 sloths on that day. So the main goal for that for that day was reached. Um, we had some howling monkeys. We had the white-faced monkeys. Some iguanas, and all in all, I think I got some very nice images. And yeah, tomorrow we go to a bit. We just experienced or found out that there is a very special or not so known park called Rainmaker Park, and there should be the possibility to find some amphibians, maybe some dart frogs, I think it's called in English. The poisonous frogs, maybe we find some of those. Then you can also find some reptiles and birds there, and I guess we just gonna see. Also, some nice landscape is probably gonna be there. So yeah, tomorrow will be also, I guess, a very nice day. I hope it's gonna be a nice day. And yeah, now the day is almost over for us. We just go and eat some dinner. And yeah, I guess we see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys, on our next day. And we are just on our way to another little park my wife found out last evening. The park is called Rainmaker. It's like an hour drive, 50 minutes. And yeah, we'll see what we can find there. Just 5 minutes after we started driving, we found these group of squirrel monkeys jumping around on the electric line and getting some breakfast in the trees. So of course we needed to take a stop and try to take some images. So we are inside of the Rainmaker forest and already saw a tiny little frog, but not very good for photography. Was moving very fast and then it went into the bushes. But yeah, so far looks very interesting. It's a lot more remote than the Manuel Antonio National Park, which is beautiful. We are like the second car here, and we were not here for the opening. So I guess it's gonna be a lot more adventurous and a lot more challenging to find some wildlife. So guys, we actually found 3 dart poison frogs, 1 basilisk, no, 2 basilisks, and then we also found 2 smaller lizards. I also think it's basilisk, but don't know. It's so beautiful. We are just alone here in the whole rainforest, and that's so gorgeous. And yeah, maybe we find something else, but also, which was very nice, are the waterfalls here. Was able to take some nice long exposures, and yeah, can't wish for more. Maybe we find some more amphibians, but for that we have in 2 days, I guess, another guided trip, a night tour for the amphibians. So I guess we will get the chance to see something there. And yeah, so we keep on moving. So, little update. We actually found a toucan. We actually only saw it because it was flying by us and sit then in a tree. And then I found it again. But yeah, that's awesome. I hope we can. I think we have another location where we can photograph these birds, because obviously on those positions here we didn't get any perfect shots. But yeah, we are on our way out of the park now, and then we decide what we do, if we go back or do something else. It's still pretty early, and yeah, we'll see. So we're back on the street. We decided we are trying something. Yeah, but we got a tip yesterday for the macaws, and we're trying to do this now because we still have like half a day left, and now we want to try to find those. Is like an hour drive, and yeah. So guys, actually we didn't find the macaws, no parrots today, and but we find some pelicans, and I was able to take some nice long exposure landscape images, and yeah, all in all I guess it was a very successful day. And now we're driving home. We have another hour driving, and then yeah, go to bed, and tomorrow will be a long driving day. So yeah, guess that's it for today, and we'll see tomorrow. And just when we came home, the sun was setting very beautifully right behind the Manuel Antonio National Park, right next to our hotel. And of course we needed to take our chance and take the cameras and the tripod, and I needed to try to take some long exposures.